Hey, Dick.
Hey.
You enjoying this cooler weather?
Oh, absolutely. Finally breaking the heat. We can get back to doing some things we like to do. So today we got all these red oak logs. And they were brought down last, what was it, winter? Something like that?
Yeah, I think so. Well,
late fall or early winter?
yeah.
Last year, and we had them stacked. And so now what we're going to do is mill them into cants to get all that bark off of them and let them rest for a while, and then figure out what we want to do with it. We'll take the flitches, cut those into firewood. Bottom line is, you got to get all that bark off of it, keep the beetles and the bugs off of it, and then stack them. And then when we're ready to figure out what we want to do with them, we'll mill them into the final dimensions, which we've done successfully. We milled a bunch of pines into cants, and then we just milled 2x4s as we needed them when we were building our hoop house over there. So take a look at that.
Yes, that's what we did in the heat of the summer. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We took the flitches from the pine and used them for siding. We thought that was kind of fun.
Yeah.
We'll see if that holds up over the years. If not, no problem. We'll just put our plastic on there like we intended to do.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do, we took a lot of break from sawmilling and stuff to kind of work on gardening, try to get our little victory garden started here. But today, these logs are decent size. I already started milling this one. It's a pretty good size. Now it's on the fat end here. That's like 24 inches, you know, so that's not too bad. This one here, this is fat end as well, so he's about 20 inches. I think the rest of these look like they're about 16 to 18 inches. Yep, 18 inches. Like I said, we'll mill them into cants. They'll eventually get used. I don't know, maybe fencing, maybe some more flower beds.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure this oak will hold up a lot better than the pine, because we kind of ran out of oak that I wanted. I mean, this is very pretty oak, so I don't know if I want to make raised garden beds out of this or not. We took one slice off of this guy, and it's just gorgeous. So hopefully all of these turn out that way, and we can get them milled and stacked and ready to cut to final dimensions as we need them. Because cutting them into cants to get all the bark and everything off of them really cuts down on the insect, stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do.
All right, let's get to it.
Get this going. Oh, and I'm wearing this gear because dust is blowing right in my face. So luckily I got this gear. So we'll just turn this on and come down and get inside my little cocoon here. Last of the Cants.
Yep, last one.
Anyway, I got my 16 footer over there.
Oh, that's right. Well, last for today.
What's over there?
We'll have a few cant days ahead of us for sure. Sounds like lunchtime to me.
Yeah, we smooth that area out.